everyone! I'm so excited to share my first post-workout meal recipe, chicken souvlaki with mushroom and couscous salad. What I love about this dish is that it gives me enough protein and carbohydrates for the day. Let's start with the chicken. I have chicken thigh fillet here. I prefer chicken thigh than chicken breast because chicken thigh has more flavor, but if you want chicken breast fillet, you can use that as well. So I'm just gonna cut the chicken thigh into bite pieces. Transfer the chicken to a clean plate. We're going to marinate the chicken with yogurt. The yogurt gently breaks down the protein in the meat, making it flavorful, juicy, and tender. And then to add more flavor, I'm just gonna add some paprika. And then you just mix it until the chicken is well covered with the yogurt. So you can start marinating your chicken before start working out. Okay. Cover it with cling wrap. Marinate this in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. Start cooking the couscous according to package instructions. Our couscous is ready. It took about 3 minutes to cook, so I'm going to turn off the heat and transfer it to a bowl. And then try to cool it down to room temperature. While cooling down the couscous, I'm going to saute our mushrooms. I turn on the heat to medium, adding the oil. Time to add the garlic. Time to add shiitake mushrooms. Shiitake mushrooms has so many benefits like vitamin B, vitamin C. It lowers cholesterol and it promotes skin health. And so many more. Season it with salt. Pepper. Just continue cooking the mushrooms until they are soft. Mushrooms are ready. Turn up the heat and then transfer it to a plate. Now we're going to start mixing our mushroom and couscous salad. Couscous contains mostly carbohydrates as it's made from semolina. Don't be scared having carbohydrates every day. As long as you exercise, carbs is good for you because it gives you energy. And couscous contains quite good levels of protein and fiber and antioxidant. Cucumber. Red bell pepper, chopped onions. I'm going to squeeze some lemon juice all over the salad. And then I'm going to season it with salt. Make sure you season it generously. pepper. Gonna add the mushrooms. Mix everything together. Look at that. The color is so beautiful. Add some chopped fresh parsley. Just continue mixing it. Okay, I'm just gonna check the seasoning if it needs more salt. It's perfect. I'm going to cover it with cling wrap and set it aside. Now it's time to arrange our chicken souvlaki using skewers. Now if you don't have the time to do that, you can grill your chicken and red bell pepper and onions directly to the pan. Season it with salt, pepper, make sure you season both sides, Okay, we're going to use griddle. I'm going to turn on the heat, medium to high heat. Add the oil. Okay, it's ready. Going to put our chicken souvlaki. Now for the thickness of this chicken, it will take about 4 to 5 minutes on each side to cook. Our chicken souvlaki is perfectly cooked. I'm going to turn off the heat. Transfer it to a plate. Now for the last step, I'm going to make garlic yogurt sauce. So I have fresh dill here. It's going to add refreshing flavor to the sauce. Smells so good. So I'm just gonna chop it. Add it to the yogurt. Some chopped garlic. Then you just mix it. Season it with salt. Mix it again. And we're gonna start plating. So every time I prepare this dish, I try to make as much as I can because I can eat this every day and not get tired of it. So in the next few days, you can heat the chicken souvlaki in the oven toaster, and the mushroom and couscous salad, you can have them warm or cold. So this dish can last for 3 days. So I'm gonna put the chicken souvlaki into plate. So you can have 2 to 3 sticks. And then the mushroom and couscous salad. Creating my meal is all about eating healthy, balanced diet. So for this, I have 50% protein, 25% carbohydrates, and 25% vegetables. You know, when you eat, it's not all about calories. Don't count calories, but start counting the chemicals that you put in your system. Now I'm going to have my garlic and yogurt sauce. Just gonna squeeze some lemon on my chicken souvlaki. Chicken souvlaki is so moist and juicy, and the onions has a crunchy texture and a sweet taste. And of course, the mushroom and couscous salad. Really, really good. It has wonderful taste. My taste buds are sated again.